So hello everyone, this is Nishit from second year food technology. I'm currently doing my UG in business institution. So in this video I'm going to explain about BMC of Hindustan Unilever Limited. So where I choose this idea means I have chosen the website Crunchbase. So it has lot of information about lots of companies, so you can refer these websites too. So let's come to the Unilever. So it is started at 2nd September in 1929. So it was around 82 years ago, and the founder is Lever Brothers, and their headquarters is located in London and England. And it is India's largest FMCG company. So around 10% of CAGR over 10 years is a drastic development in their company. So around 230 DPE, EBIT improvement among the 5 top most valuable companies in India, which is market capital of around $51 billion, and nearly every household users have one or more products of the Unilever. So the brands are available in 8 million plus stores. So let us see about BMC of Unilever Limited. First segment is customer segment. So massive market, all age and gender, and a segmented portfolio of products. And the customer relationship or brand awareness, quality, and customer loyalty. And the channels are mass media, retailers of the point and sales, and social media and social networks. Then the key resources. So among 2.5 billion people uses the Unilever products. So about 46% of their managers are women. So range of world leading to household name brands such as factories, distribution network, and open innovation. Then the key activities: marketing, branding, advertising, manufacturing, production, distribution, research and development, and quality control. So the key partners are investors, farmers, product providers, along then supply chain, regulators, and advertising agencies such as media. So next we are going to see cost structure. So marketing, manufacturing, distributing, branding, packaging, compensation, advertising, faculties, and the taxes. And finally we are going to see about revenue streams. So sale of good foods, beverages, and cleaning agents, and personal care products. So the strategy is anchored around two things: by growth and underpinned by Unilever's sustainable living plan. So our core portfolio is Rin and Action Wheel, Surf Excel, Kissan, Dove, Lifebuoy, Clinic Plus, and Fair and Lovely, etc. So in this slide you can see about the straddling benefits of a pyramid. For example, let's see about the hair. So hair care products like Clinic Plus is a family product, and Sunsilk is a mass family, and Dove is a daily damage care, and Tresemme is a salon care, and the final is Indulekha, which is high-end natural. Among the packet is of Clinic Plus is rupees 1 rupee, and around Indulekha is 492. So they are having the products among low to high. Market growing faster in premium segments, so such as mass is 1 times greater than the previous year, and the middle of the products are 1.2 times greater than the previous year, and the premium segments are very higher, growing in the year of 2020-21 in 1.5x. In premium segment it grows very higher, 1.7 times greater. Key messages. So Unilever have a rich history and deep heritage in South Asia, spanning over 100 years. So South Asia has a huge headroom to grow, being home to a largest millennium population growing influences there is rising urbanization and digital connectivity. The USLP continues to be our key differential. So thank you.